Hi everybody, it's Stan Slaughter for the Climate Friendly Yard Makeover and Missouri Organic Recycling. We're here in Krystle's front yard on Blue Ridge, and we're getting ready to take down some trees. That will come tomorrow, but I wanted to take the sunshine and show you some pictures, because right here is a Siberian elm. Excuse me, that's a Bradford pear. They're not native. They have several bad qualities as far as invading, not being a long-lived tree, not feeding native plants and animals. This is the Siberian elm. It's at the end of its life. It's scraggly and also a non-native, and back here is the second Siberian elm. We're going to replace these with a food forest in the front yard. Stay tuned for tomorrow's big tree removal day. Price is Right Tree Service has been out here with a crew of 6 since 8 o'clock this morning, grinding off the stumps, removing the trees, leaving us with wonderful logs that we can make mushrooms on, and great big logs we can make beehives with. I can only give them the highest possible recommendation. They have done a tremendous job in 2.5 hours, bringing enormous equipment and working really hard. Thank you.